Is the Shiba Inu coin price ready to break and maybe even test some of those highs that we saw in mid-August and maybe even go beyond some of those highs that we saw on August 14th? We're going to jump into it. I'm going to provide some analysis that I see right now with Shiba Inu. So if you guys would hit the like button down below and subscribe, let's get this thing jumping. A bunch of likes here throughout the weekend. I know college football today, everybody's fired up, but hey, you got to see what's going on with SHIB, right? Got to stay locked in. So I'm on the 1-day time frame here over on TradingView, and I want to take you inside. This was back in June. Okay, so if you guys remember, the big market fallout happened in May. This is May, heading into May, and then heading into June, where we set our lows, right, all the way down here at 507. Shiba Inu came all the way down here to 507. But what came after that and what started right around June 21st, we got a big pop in the price, right? Things were oversold. A lot of the whales came in here. A lot of the retail money came in. This big green candlestick started an eventual rally for Shiba Inu way back here in June. Slowly but surely, we started to climb all the way throughout June and in through July. And then we were just kind of nicely consolidating right here in the 11s and 10 range. Then what happened was a long consolidation phase happened all the way throughout July into about mid-August, where we just kind of traded slightly higher day after day. And before we had a big blow off top here on August 14th, where we came all the way up to the 1782 level. Are we gearing up for a price move that would take us above this level on the next big jump? Again, big green candlestick here on June 21st. Big green candlestick here on August 14th. Are we in store for another one of these price pops, these one-day explosions where we go up 40, 50%? Well, when we zoom out a little bit, we can see kind of what's happened. So after the big price pop that happened in August, we've slowly but surely trended down a little bit. Okay. Now, we didn't get down to the June lows, of course, but we got down here at one point down to about the 1009. Then eventually we actually got down in here, and we were screaming from the mountaintops that we were oversold down in here. I remember we were dialing back to the 509 level, and we kept saying, great time to accumulate, great time to accumulate, great time to accumulate, right? We went below that 20-day moving average. Things were not going to stay this bearish for that long with Shiba Inu because just too much money comes in and out. And we were saying this, and eventually look what's happened. We've broken out of these channels, and we actually had a big blow off top here all the way to 1520, okay, but have since dialed back, okay? So this was our green candle back on October 29th, had a great day. Of course, this was more so just riding up because of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was going parabolic. SHIB followed suit and was moving up with it. Now we're in this nice consolidation phase right here in the 12s and 11 range. Love where we're at right now. Okay, so after the big blow off top that we saw on the 29th, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about a week of consolidation. So when we zoom out a little bit, you could see two big green candles here. This was kind of a mid-sized candle, but it looks as if the market stays bullish here, that SHIB could be getting ready to have one of those big blow-off 40%, 45% days that we're so accustomed to when it comes to Shiba Inu. Now, when we look down here at the RSI, we can see, we zoom in down here at this bottom part, RSI right now is trending right around the 50, 60 level, which isn't bad at all. This is exactly what we want to see. We're up slightly here on the day, trading at the 12.6 level. Now, when we look at the technicals, you could see moving averages showing a strong buy indicator. The overall summary is a buy, but look at across the board. Look at the buy signals across the board for moving averages on the 10, the 20, the 30, the 50, the 100, and the 200, except for that EMA on the 200. But overall, very bullish signal here with the moving averages. So I think as long as we continue to consolidate here and don't have a breakdown in the overall crypto market, Shiba Inu could be getting ready for one of those big moves to the upside. It just feels like that. And looking at the chart, I think we are kind of gearing up toward that. Of course, we have a big catalyst looming, that is Shibarium. So maybe, just maybe, we can have those two stars align with Shibarium and the overall crypto market hanging in there, staying solid, and SHIB could have another move. If we have that move, we're looking at that August 14th top of about 1796. Can we break that into the 18 range? That will be something that we will be watching. As I mentioned, I've been mentioning quite a bit recently. I think a great point, if we can get to the point where we're back in the twos by the end of the year, right? The 402 range. If we can close out the end of the year back up there into the twos, get back to where we were right before the breakdown in May, I think that would be a win. I think that would be a win for SHIB. And we head into 2023 with a fresh year. And obviously, we'll see where everything's at macroeconomically. But that's what I've got for you. Hopefully, you got some value here. Let me know what you think about all this down below. Appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And hit that like button. Let's push us up there in the old algorithm. All right, guys, have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you.